Okay, this is the 10th video in our 2-minute Python videos, and in this video we tie everything together that we've done in the first previous 9 videos, and I'm just going to go through line by line. I've written a little code here for you to have a look at, and it just talks about everything that we've covered up to this point. So we're going to start off with a simple print statement. Print, welcome to SLS Tutorials by Nick May. All right, simple print statement. Next one, we will begin in, and then we've set up a variable here. And this is when we get into our while statements, but it's also in the setting up a variable video. So here we've got a equals 5, so we're giving the variable a the value of 5. Then we've got a while statement here while a is bigger than 0. So at start, a is going to start at 5, and if it's bigger than 0, it's going to do what's inside of here. So in this situation, it's going to print a, and then we're going to say a equals a minus 1. So a is slowly going to go down until it gets to 0. Once that's finished, it'll get to this line, which is another print statement. That was a while loop. Then it's going to ask us a question. So we've got an input here into a variable. A variable is called question. Here's the input. Did you like it? Yes or no? We've then got it changing to a lowercase response. So whether they press Y or N, it's going to change it to a lowercase. It then goes into an if statement. If the question is exactly equal to Y, so in other words the user presses Y, it'll print great. Now on to the next 10 videos. Then there's this special thing in here /n, which I'll talk about in a minute. Then it said Python in 5 minutes. If they don't press Y, then it's going to go to the else statement, and it's going to say, you're so negative, thanks for watching. Then the final statement is print this /n again, then visit www.slsmilan.com. Now this /n is something new that we haven't done in the videos yet. You can use it at the start of your string, you can use it in the middle of your string. All it does is make a line break in your text. So when it prints, this will put in an empty line before it prints this line here. Okay, let's run the file and see how it goes. Run module. And here we go. Welcome to SLS Tutorials by Nick May. We will begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was a while loop. Did you like it? Yes, I liked it. And great. Now on to the next 10 videos, Python in 5 minutes. Visit www.slsmilan.com. The next 10 videos are all 5 minutes long, not 2 minutes long.